Hello everyone, today we are going to use the WordPress plugin Advanced Autocomplete Orders for WooCommerce. This plugin is by Happy Devs. First we have to add the plugin from our WordPress dashboard. We will search for the plugin from the Add Plugins page. And here is our plugin. We will now click on Install. After installation is complete, we are going to activate the plugin. As you can see, Advanced Autocomplete Orders for WooCommerce has been activated. We will go to the WooCommerce menu and the plugin settings page, which is Autocomplete Orders. We will enable the Autocomplete Order functionality. It is already enabled by default. Then we will choose the type of order for which we want this autocomplete functionality. I am choosing all orders. For all orders, we will see autocomplete now. Clicking on Save Changes. Now we will go to the shop page and add new products to our order. We have chosen two different products. So let's place these orders. We are going to proceed to checkout, and then we are going to place our orders. The orders has been placed, as you can see. So we will go to the order page from the WordPress dashboard and WooCommerce menu. From the WooCommerce menu, we can see that the order has been placed and it has been auto-completed. In the next one, we are going to see how to use the premium version of this plugin. Thank you.